what you can get from sugarcane. You can process everything, avoiding waste. Sugarcane, starting by sun and rain. You can get fertilizer, 600 liters of ethanol from 1 ton of sugar. Get 1 ton raw sugar and 400 kilograms molasses per ton of sugar.
Why molasses is given to cows? That wheel these cows are licking contains molasses. This thick, dark liquid is basically pure sugar extracted from sugarcane or beet, but processed specifically for animal consumption. Its purpose in cattle is simple: to provide quick energy and improve digestion.
When cows consume molasses, they get a burst of carbohydrates that are immediately converted into usable energy, while also activating the beneficial rumen bacteria that improve the digestion of forage and grasses.
This leads to increased milk production, improved body weight, a stronger immune system, and better use of nutrients from their basic diet.